In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inner door handle on this Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. To remove the door handle, you have a Phillips head screw right in the middle of it. Loosen it up and take it out all the way. Now pull forward on the door handle. It'll click out of place and unlock from the tabs on the back side. Then you can pull it out. On the back here, it'll have a little lock. You can use pretty much anything that'll grab onto it and slide it out. So you could use your screwdriver that you just used and pop that forward just like that. And then pull this up, that'll unlatch. Now to reinstall, put the door handle rod back into the locking clip, slide it down, and of course lock that clip so that it doesn't pop out. There we go, make sure that clicks. Put the door handle back in. You're going to want to feel it lock into those hooks on the back side, and then push it back. And then you want to take the screw in the center, put it back in. When you tighten it up, as soon as it bottoms out, just give it a tiny bit extra. These strip out very easily. Now, operate the door handle. Everything works fine, so there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.